This is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So firstly, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app that should be automatically installed on your system, whatever. Or rather, it comes pre-installed with the system, so you will not have to additionally download or install any third-party or external apps. So that's a moment of convenience. So launch the app, then tap on this plus icon. You should have either over there or at your bottom right, to your bottom right, if your interface is in the portrait mode. So anyway, as I was saying, tap on this plus icon, choose the scan option, grant Google Drive with the camera permission, and take a photo of the document that you wanted to make the scan out of. So here is mine. I recommend that you take the picture in the portrait mode. It will actually help a lot. So take a good picture of your document. If you are satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, simply retake the picture. So here's mine. At the following interface that you will be forwarded to, you can rotate your scan like so, change its color scheme, and crop the original raw image, which allows you to trim off some unneeded pieces or places of photo. Like I'll just trim off an extra paper edges, or actually it also allows you to align your resulting file even better. So then hit the save option, save the file, wait for it to be uploaded to your Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.